In this video, we're going to learn how to make a safe and proper 3-point turn. The very first step is to signal right to let the car behind you know that you're going to stop beside the curb. Make sure not to make 3-point turn on a curve in the road so it doesn't block your view. This may result in conceding the traffic, which is an automatic disqualification. After that, we'll divide our 3-point turn into 3 important steps. That is SGS, signal, gear, steering. Make sure to follow the exact order so that you don't forget anything that may subtract your marks. Now let's try it by signal left, check the mirror and blind spot, and steer sharply to left by locking the steering wheel. Repeat SGS to right by looking left, right, left. At last, repeat SGS again to left by observing left, right, left, and then go. This completes your 3-point turn. Follow these steps perfectly so that it prevents you from failing the test. I hope it helped. Thank you very much for watching.